So hi everyone, I am Kayum and today in this video we will going to learn about ternary operators. So basically when we want to test a condition we use if else statement. If the number of conditions are less than 2, 3 and if the condition are greater than 3 or is equal to 3 we will use if else statement, if elif statement or switch case. Okay, so for as an alternative to the if else statement we are using ternary operators. So here I have created a program. So basically we are created a class with a ternary operator as a class name, and inside the public static void method we want to test that n, whether the n is divisible by 2 or not. If the n is divisible by 2 it will give us 1. If the n is not divisible by 2 then it will give us 0 in the output. So basically what I am highlighting is the alternative ternary operator. So it is kindly similar to the if else statement. For example, if basically what we does in the if statement, so this one is our condition. Okay, the one this one is our condition. So basically think that n is divisible by 2 then the result should be 0. Okay, so this condition will test that n whether the n is divisible by 2 or not. So for this we are using if question mark symbol. Okay, so this question mark symbol, whatever comes after it will give us true or false. So for example, if this condition is true then it will return us 1. If this condition is false then we will get 0 as our output. And for getting the output we are uh, getting the test variable inside this is out statement. Okay, so let me try to run this and we will see whether it is true or not. So actually it is false, so that's why we are getting a 0. Why this is false? Because we have already assign and declare n is equal to 3. So 3 is not an even value, that we all know. So that's why it's giving us 0. So for example, let me change it to 4. Now we will see that the result, does the result going to change or not. Okay, so here you can see that we know that n is equal to 4 and 4 is an even number. It is divisible by 2. That's why we are getting 1 as an our output. So let's suppose 5. Let me test with the 5. Okay, so again we are getting 0. Why 0? Because we already mentioned that true is equal to 1 and false is equal to 0. So since 5 is not divisible by 2, it's a prime number, so that's why we are getting a 0 as an output. So here in this case, in this way we can use ternary operators. So let me take another example. Suppose we will uh, uh, suppose name. Okay, suppose name is equal to India. Okay, and suppose this one is name 1 and this one is name 2. Okay, so this one Bangladesh. Okay, so suppose we have declared two strings, huh? we want to check we want to check we want to check that these both strings are equal or not. Okay, so for this we will going to use ternary operator. Okay, operation for the same now. So let string, since we are using a string as an our data type, so in the result also we need to uh, as in the result also we need to mention the result in the string type. Okay, so let name 1 equal to name 2. If this condition is true, then we will get same. Okay, and if this condition is false, then we will get not same. So we have mentioned this. Okay, so in this way we will going to test our result, and then we want our output. So let's see. So now let's test this. Okay, so as we know that India is not equal to Bangladesh, so in the results also we have tested it. So since it is not same, so we are getting as output as same. uh, let me check with the changing it. Now let's check. So now we are getting the same. So now name 1 and name 2 having the same value, India, so they are both are same, that's why we are getting it as same. So in this way we can use a ternary operator instead of if else statement. So hope this will be helpful for you. Thank you for watching.